Welcome to the video on the proper use of the FIPS 140-3 logos and phrases. I'm Mark Minnick with KeyPair Consulting. The CMVP allows two phrases when referring to FIPS 140-3 cryptographic modules. On the left side of this slide, we see a network appliance where the cryptographic module and the actual physical perimeter of the device are the same. In this case, the entire product was validated, so you may use the phrase FIPS 140-3 validated. On the right side of the slide, we have a product that contains a FIPS cryptographic module. And in this case, you may use the phrase FIPS 140-3 inside. When you use the FIPS 140-3 logo in your company materials, use the phrase FIPS 140-3 validated along with your certificate number when the product is the cryptographic module, and use FIPS 140-3 inside along with the certificate number when your product contains a validated cryptographic module. To obtain the FIPS 140-3 logos, there's a simple form that you may download from the CMVP website, quick to fill out, email it back, and you'll receive a zip file with the logos. To find information on the FIPS 140-3 logo and use, simply navigate to the main CMVP website. Scroll down on the right-hand side, you'll see use of FIPS 140-3 or FIPS 140-2 logo and phrases. Click on that link and you'll find the landing page where all of this information and the form to request the logos may be found. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, congratulations that you have a FIPS 140-3 cryptographic module. Please contact me if you have any questions.